Aloha class, how was everyone? I hope you had a great week of school and looking forward to our next lesson, lesson 10. Hopefully you know there's only 5 weeks left of this class, so hang in there. I know everyone will do well if you continue to hang on. Alright, we'll start off with Did You Know? Piece of trivia. We'll recap lesson 9, discuss the lesson 10 objectives, as well as the assignments that are due for lesson 10. Some quick information about the HOA group meetings this week, and one final thought. Did you know? Until recently, President Nelson skied Black Diamond level ski runs, the most difficult level of ski runs. President Nelson is quite the impressive individual in addition to being the president and prophet of our church. All right, let's quickly talk about lesson 9, the Lance Armstrong lesson. I wanted to pose a few questions to think about. Had some good discussions with the HOA groups. But the first one is, when do I make decisions and why? As we think about the decisions, especially when it's a choice between right and wrong or a better choice than another's, why am I making that decision and what's driving my decision? That's the first thing to think about. The second thing is a theme that we discussed in the case. What do you want your legacy to be? How do you want to be remembered? And finally, as we learned from the 7 Habits book, think ahead. Think about the end in mind, and what do you want people to say about you at your funeral? It's difficult with thinking that, that's so far off, but it should help you as you try to center your thoughts and your actions. And what do you want people to say about your funeral? And are your actions and behaviors in alignment of what you want those people to say? So, as a recap to lesson 9, these are 3 thoughts that I had that I think would be worth keeping in mind as you think about the lessons learned. All right, our lesson 10 objectives. This week we're going to be talking about power, influence, and persuasion. We're going to learn about different styles of power, influence, and persuasion, and how they relate to leadership. We're going to examine how different styles are appropriate for different people and different situations. This week, the case is a little different, where it's kind of a hands-on, what would you do, and you'll have to actually relate to your groups, what you'll do in the situation that's presented. And finally, you'll also, along with this activity, experience team dynamics as groups make decisions. Now, the assignments that are due for lesson 10, so due by midweek, will be the lesson 10 case study preparation. As I've already mentioned, this is a different type of case, so make sure you follow the instructions, because there will be information we'll need to share with the group as far as making decisions on this case. Also, complete your readings in the 5 behaviors of a dysfunctional team. This week you'll be reading pages 79 through 114. Due by Monday is the case study activity as far as the HOA group meetings. There's also a case study conclusion. It's similar to doing a case write-up, but a little different, so make sure you follow the instructions. Your reading discussion postings, as well as a self-assessment. The HOA group meetings for this week, I will be meeting with groups 5 and 7. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to meet with group 5 due to work travel commitments, so I'm going to do a redo with group 5 and then meet with you all this week, in addition to group 7. Team leaders, you know the drill. Make sure you get the agenda and get the link out and recorded for your group. And then, as always, make sure you take advantage of your meeting time and really try to connect the different lessons we've learned throughout the semester. One final thought. This is a thought that President Grant would often quote, but it's attributed to Ralph Waldo Emerson, and that is, that which we persist in doing becomes easier for us to do, not that the nature of the thing is changed, but that our power to do has increased. Great quote. That's what I would like to leave with you today. Have a great week, and I'll see everyone online. Take care. Bye-bye.